everyone, a really warm welcome back. We're going to have a little look today in this xplore Activ 304. So this is the dealer special from Kimberly Caravans, dealer special on the Eldis xplore 304 with the upgraded facilities and graphics. So here we are. This is possibly the most compact 4-berth on the market, I'm guessing. So maximum technically permissible labour mass 1094 kilos, and maximum running order at 937. So it doesn't give you a huge payload, but it is only a tiny 5.5 metre caravan. A very nice slim width at 2.18 metres, so you can get down all those country lanes and so on. L-shaped seating at the front, and then a little 2-person dinette at the back that converts with a bunk over, and the bargain price of about 22 grand. So this is, as I said, the dealer special, so that includes a few little extra bits and pieces, GRP sides compared to the standard aluminium, I believe, extra locker at the front, I think that's a gas hookup point, and different graphics and so on. So let's have a quick look round the outside. This is a very popular little caravan. Every time there's a bit of a gap, even though the show has just opened, somebody else nips in, so we'll have a little look around the outside first. I wonder if a very well-known YouTuber happens to have one of these, and that sparked everybody's interest to come and have a look. Right, it's been quiet for a minute. Let's go inside and have a quick look in here. So, washroom to the right. I'll come back around and look at that in a minute. Sitting area at the back here. And that looks reasonably wide. I don't have my tape measure with me, or time to measure it, but I reckon on about 70 centimetres wide, or maybe 80 at the back on that seat. Bunk over the top. So a quick look in the washroom. So compact, but everything's here, so it's a wet room style thing, with shower tray on the floor, loo set into that, separate shower head and tap head, so you don't have to use one as the other, towel drying rail over the top, cupboard at the back, plenty of room for knickknacks, bits and pieces, so all fully functional. Then, as I said, the bunk over the top here, so just like a fold down shelf, and then that locks into position, so that's not going to go anywhere. And stores up during the day. I guess you could squeeze some bedding in behind there. Kitchen on the left side, basic sink, and then an all-in-one hob and grill and oven and so on. Everything you need, and most importantly, lots and lots of cupboards and storage space next to this L-shaped lounge at the front. Lovely, great big single front window, so you can see what you've come to see, whatever view you've parked up in front of. Cupboards all the way around here. Shelves in some of them to give you a bit more flexibility. Fold up shelf, you might want to put a TV on if you like to take a TV with you, and the fridge and the wardrobe behind it. So let's do the traditional panorama. I'll set up the camera and get that whizzing around so you get a feel for the overall caravan. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that little tour round. Sorry it's a bit compact. This is a very popular van indeed. But I hope the video gave you a really good feel for this. I'm impressed at the facilities it's got and everything you get in such a small package. So I think this is a fabulous first or compact caravan, if that's what you want. Nice little lightweight one. Anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one, and bye for now. See ya.